Welcome to Diljan Solutions, where learning transcends courses and becomes a pathway to building careers. Here, training goes beyond theory to equip you with real-world skills. Education is not just about certificates, it's about unlocking real opportunities. Real careers are built on real skills, and those skills emerge from real projects. This is not your typical training platform. We don't rely solely on classroom learning. We offer a career-focused IT training ecosystem. Here, you won't just learn tools, you'll build systems, engage in real projects, and think like professionals. Our training model is straightforward: learn, practice, build, implement, and grow. We emphasize real-time hands-on training, live project implementation, and industry-relevant technologies. We focus on practical problem solving, professional workflows, and enterprise level thinking. At Diljan Solutions, we don't train students, we develop professionals. We don't just teach software, we teach systems. Our focus is not on preparing for exams, but on preparing for careers. Our mission is to cultivate global IT professionals. Whether you are a beginner, job seeker, professional, switcher, or entrepreneur, this platform is for you. Here, training is not the end goal. Career growth is the destination. Professional identity is what we aim for. We prepare you for real industry roles and project environments that meet real professional standards. Learn with purpose, train with direction, practice with structure, build with vision, and grow with confidence. This is where your journey transforms. Welcome to Diljan Solutions, where we don't just create learners, we create professionals